DJ Nelly, ready. Let's get this party started.
The party did not end in Shoprite Asaba, where the Flavour of African Concert was actually held. The after party at Club Xhrine Asaba was another massive blow entirely. The Flavour of Africa Live in Concert has always been something very unique. Every city he takes this concert to is always beautiful to celebrate the magic, the love, the beautiful people of Igbo land. And as well, again, inside this concert, it's always something that is hosted by Life Lager Beer, an original brand from the eastern part of Nigeria, to celebrate the culture, celebrate the people, and the wonderful uniqueness. This one had the likes of Peruzzi, Masterkraft, a lot of people, Flavour Nabania, they were all out there at Club Xhrine the whole night. Even Igwe too was there all through the night. Cubana Chief Priest, they shut it down, and that is what I'll be bringing to you here in this video. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to drop a comment.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's about to be a shutdown tonight.
Masterkraft.
If you're ready,
superstar producer.
It's about to be a switch right now from DJ Peruzzi to DJ Nelly B. Big shout out Oracle. They got an extra space for Masterkraft. DJ Nelly B, if you're ready, let's get this party started. Come on. Right now. What's up?
Birthday boy, happy birthday, my nigga. Love you, nigga.
Peruzzi.
It's a heights, everything nice.
Thank you, brother.
God bless you, brother.
Thank you, boss.
The very uniqueness of Igbo man has always made him stand out so very wonderful among a lot of different things in this country called Nigeria. The food, the culture, the pride he has when he carries himself, the way he attends to issues, the way he handles businesses, a whole lot of different factors has made the Igbo man stand out right in Nigeria. Well, this video is actually not about the Igbo people, but well, it has to do with that, because at the same time celebrating this uniqueness, you tend to see that the atmosphere, the entertainment value is different from the way other parts of Nigerian actually celebrate their kind of entertainment. Entertainment in Igbo land is something that we cannot actually, take for granted. It's something that is part of us, from Enugu to Anambra to Owerri to Asaba, name it, all part of Igbo land. The east, the east, the southeast, name them, all of them are always connected and united together when it comes to the beautiful and the uniqueness of entertainment and celebrity creativity. Anyway guys, I've said a lot here on this video. You saw how the after party went there in Asaba. It was completely unique and fun-filled one out there all through the night, with Chief Priest hosting Flavour Cubana, Masterkraft and the rest of others. It went so beautiful. Peruzzi came and yes, he did his own magic there in Xhrine Asaba, and it was fun filled. Thank you for watching. See you guys on my next video.